Alright, so this is the EVP sampler. Switch it on at the side. Set this dial facing straight forward. It's a potentiometer. We'll come back to that in a minute. Press record and hold after you've called out to a spirit like you would on an EVP. So, can anyone get in contact? Is anyone out there? And then I'll count as a response. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see we've got about 6 second response there. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you press play, it will play back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this can be used to make it a little bit quicker when you play back, or slower. So you can actually play back EVPs in real time, slower or faster. Right, so if we set this pot a little bit more forwards, well, let me just set it back a little bit, and now we'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see we've got a little bit longer there. So if you take it back a little bit more, it'll extend the recording time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. But if you extend the recording time, you won't be able to slow it down as much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I set it quite back, I'll put it right back to there. Now press record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll play faster, but not as slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we set it right back, you'll get a very low fi recording, similar to the DR60 Panasonics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can speed that up. But you won't have the ability to slow it down. It will just be the standard lo-fi recording. So you want to set the button long enough to record a response. So I'm saying just about facing forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Okay, hope that helps you to get used with the device. Enjoy it, have fun, take care.